Video will be concerning the subject of a person who is no longer with us, Douglas K Uhde. This individual was found in a building where another person was found that is also no longer with us, and the person who died in the same building as apparently Douglas sentenced him to 6-year prison sentence for armed burglary in 2005 or somewhere around then, and was supposed to have had a, quote, hit list, political figures, etc., or a list of people he didn't like and wanted to hurt. However, you will also see postings about being a Trumper, concerned about martial law, FEMA camps, being in a militia or claiming to be even though he's a convict, and that sort of thing. This is based on people seeing social media posts that are attributed to this individual, and I'm going to show you why this is a pain in the butt. Looking into Facebook for facts about anybody is like looking up a hog's butt for a ham sandwich. Don't do it. This is a warning. Don't do this. You're not going to find the information you're looking for. When you look on Facebook, you can do a Facebook/public/Douglas-Uhde with the correct spelling. He didn't use his middle name, apparently, at least according to social media and, well, according to mainstream media. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 Facebook pages that actually just say Doug Uhde. That's Doug or Douglas. So I'm going to tell you a couple of things. Some of these reveal a whole bunch of information, much too much, because it's a safety and security failure on their part. And the media is pointing at all of these and also supposedly some YouTube channels that may not be the right person. Warning, all of the Facebook pages you're going to look at in a minute, none of them I think are actually this person, unless otherwise proven. One of them should be, maybe all of them are, but we don't have that confirmed. And this is where they're getting all of the assumptions about. Yes, there's a video that someone pointed out on likeheavy.com, but the video isn't him. It's some other person he simply reposted a link to on Facebook, because someone doesn't understand that when you post a YouTube video link on Facebook, it says right under it, YouTube. I don't know if he had a YouTube channel. This is one of them. It's got a skull and a flag and blah, blah, blah. And here we go. Not much data. This is the mobile version because it takes up less space and actually gets to the point. Because if you do the full version, you don't get any more data. It just takes up more space. This is one that's Douglas Uhde 9. And the picture's gone away, and it's got a picture of a cat, and that's the entire page. Here's one that's a turtle and has no data. And here's one that says pro-Trump several times, a picture of a cat, and there's actually 2 of them. And this one, it looks as if it's a masked version of the Grinch. Okay, and you'll notice the next one. This one has the other picture, the tow-headed kid and some family photo in the background, and may not be the right person. And then it lists a bunch of current cities. Now, I'm going to include the link to this, but the point is, these may not be this individual. Social media hasn't shown any links that show which one of these had it. Mostly it's pointing to this one, but again, that may not be it, because they also immediately point back to, where is it? This guy. Right here. That looks a lot like Stephen King. And there's really no data here to check. You have to log in or join or whatever. And this is because Facebook is extremely antagonistic to archivers. Any sort of accountability, recordability, anything. It's a waste of energy. So this is one of the pictures that's prominently shown, and this one is. And these are. This one, nobody showed the turtle, just as likely. The one that's got no picture, but it's got a cat. This one that has, kind of a scary looking thing. Well, actually, it's a Pittsburgh Steelers picture. Look, whatever information we have, the only information we have that can be kind of confirmed is the reason that the judge is dead is supposed to be because of a 6-year prison sentence, yes, I misspelled it, for armed burglary, like in 2005 is when the sentencing went through, of Douglas K Uhde, or Uhde. As for being a pro-Trump person, or into martial law complaints or conspiracy theories, or FEMA camp conspiracy theories, or being part of the militia, none of that has been directly connected and can't be, because it really all is just on Facebook. Now, if anybody has a direct link, I mean a direct link, to his YouTube channel that would provide some reference point, that'd be great. Please don't point to the one that has the quote-unquote, they're coming for your guns video. That one isn't him at all, because it doesn't match any of this. What it appears is that social media is literally grasping at straws and screwing around. And for all we know, the real Douglas Uhde could be the cat, or it could be the turtle. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And yes, I hate Facebook with a purple passion.